Hey y'all.
Hey yo.
Today we're trying Kettle brand crinkle cut habanero lime chips. Let's see how they are. Open it up. I'll let you open it. Do the honors. And then we're gonna try it. Smell it.
She tapped already.
Who tapped?
Yum.
Guy.
Spicy chip time. Let's see. You first.
Frustrating.
I want a big chip. I don't want a baby chip. I should open it. I shook it up and I want to. Okay, here we go. I got a half a chip. Ooh, I like the lime on that.
Let's go.
We're trying it some more.
These are good.
Ooh, they're good. You got a nice kick of lime.
Not that spicy.
Oh, Echo? Okay, let's go.
That got me. Coughing and it comes back up. If you cough on it, it burns. That was bad.
It's not that. I mean, I'm not.
It tickled my throat. And then I cough. And the flame and the heat in my throat just got me. Alright, y'all. So, try some crinkle cut habanero lime chips. Let me know what you think. These are spicy.